Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When summer is here, everyone is looking for quick and easy recipes. Without compromising on the taste, here's one I like to make often, and it's my garlic shrimp. Yeah, I know. There's a ton of recipes out there, but they're not as flavorful and garlicky as mine. In less than 15 minutes, you can enjoy this fantastic appetizer. So let's get cooking. In a skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add canola oil and a tablespoon of butter. When it starts sizzling, we'll add 1.5 pounds either shrimp or prawns and crack some freshly ground black pepper. You can add salt if you want, but remember that the butter is salted. We'll flip them and it won't take long before they start turning pink, which is an indication that they start cooking. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and lots of it. I'm using 8 big ones. And toss the ingredients constantly for 1 minute. We'll now add some red pepper flakes and the remaining 3 tablespoons of butter. Of course, we'll toss everything until the butter is melted. We just created a beautiful base for the sauce, and we'll cook it for 1 minute, flipping the ones that are still grayish. Most of them will be on the outside of the skillet, so move them in the center. Next, we'll pour in freshly squeezed lemon juice as well as dry white wine. We'll stir, normally with a spoon, not tongs, until nicely combined. Turn the heat to max and bring it to a boil, basting the shrimp a few times with a spoon. What a concept, Frankie! Now, to prevent the shrimp from cooking any further and turn into rubber, we'll scoop them up using a slotted spoon and transfer them to a bowl. We'll let the sauce cook down on high heat for a good 2 minutes or until it reduces by half before adding some fresh chopped parsley. We'll stir well to blend and voila! Our beautiful sauce is done. Oh, yummy! We'll remove from the heat, spoon it over the shrimp, and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our garlic shrimp. Very quick to make. This tasty appetizer is absolutely incredible. Very popular in the 70s and 80s, this retro recipe is always a favorite. Enjoy it with crusty bread to soak up all the yummy sauce. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!